this guide, we're going over how you can use and unlock the Haki here in Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to start off, let's just talk about how you can activate it. If you have the ArmNet Haki, you can just hit G. If you have the Observation Haki, hit H. You'll see it activate in the bottom left, by the way. And of course, if you have the Conqueror's Haki, go ahead and press J. And you could also open up your stat menu and open up the question mark to check on your, Haki levels specifically, just like so. Now, as you level up, the ArmNet increases damage, the Observation gives you more dodges, and the Conqueror will give you a more passive damage boost. But to unlock each one of them, and let's just start with the, ArmNet Haki, you essentially just need to make your way over to Snow Island. And once you're at Snow Island, just make your way all the way to, the very back section of the map. Once you're in the back section, just fall down. You'll see the Haki right here. You have to pay 250,000 coins and 250 gems, and then kill 250 NPCs, use the Z skill 100 times, and land 1,000 punches. For the Observation Haki, you just need to make your way over to the Desert Island, and once you're at the Desert Island, make your way over this way, and you'll see this Haki right here. Go ahead and pay 250,000 coins or money, and then 300 gems for this one. There's no quest for it, so you are good to go. But finally, for the Conqueror's Haki, you actually need to make your way over to Shibuya Station, and essentially once you get here, make your way over to where the Cursed King boss spawns, land here, and then jump up on top of this house or building and just make your way along the side. And of course, you'll see the Conqueror Haki here. Now, this one is technically the hardest one. Essentially, you need one Conqueror fragment, and then you also need to reach level 40, reach Observation level 25, and level 40, by the way, is for the ArmNet Haki, so you got to make sure you level all these up. Have Ascension at level 5, kill 500 NPCs with the ArmNet active, dodge 500 attacks, defeat 200 bosses, and complete 25 dungeons. This one's a little bit of a grind, but it's worth it because it's the best one. But that is it. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.